There's a point in your career where things seem to be going well, but something seems to be starting to shift. It feels different. Success is something that you continue to strive towards and you get, but there's a subtle disconnect about it. You know that something is amiss, but you can't really pinpoint what the problem is, and at the same time, you don't have full clarity about it. There seems to be a disconnect between internal and external progression. So, externally, you're making progress, but internally, it doesn't quite feel the same. It's not that something is wrong, but something is changing. You feel that. And I suspect that this phase of life is actually more common than what we hear or what we talk about. I was in this situation before I started this business and love to hear your thoughts whether you've been in such a situation. And if so, please share below.